Dear children, today I am going to show you how to read ch words. Now see, k and h becomes ch. Okay? Now see, ch a p l chapel. B n ch bench. ch I p m a n k chipmunk. ch s t chest. b r a n ch branch. b u n ch bunch. ch I n chin. I n ch inch. s n d u I ch sandwich. ch op chop. In this way you should also practice reading ch words. Thank you.